Can you imagine watching videos like ads, TikTok, and other online videos and getting paid in dollars? One of that website I'll be showing you is this. Look at the amount they've made, number of tasks they've done from different countries in thousands of dollars doing microtask jobs. And as you can see, I've personally made over $26 paid on this website where you can watch advertisement in videos. This is another website. This is my balance as at this moment. This is the total amount I've been paid by this website so far where I watch advertisement in videos. This is another of such website where you'll be able to watch videos to get paid. This is over $2. This is almost $3. This is almost $5. I withdraw like this every day from this website. And this is the last website I'll be showing you. Look at the amount I've cashed out in Litecoin and in Bitcoin. Watching advertisements in TikTok videos. You see, watching ads and videos will not make you a full-time income. No. This is why you need to do this with the right expectation. Unlike all those YouTube videos that claims to make you $2,000, $500 watching videos and advertisement online, it is not possible. You can only earn extra income doing this. But I'll be walking you through how you can do this, and you should be able to make minimum of $10 every day working from home in your country. You see, the objective of this YouTube channel is to review companies like websites and apps that we accept and pay Nigerians. This is why you need to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, that notification bell, you need to click it. That will help you to know as soon as I publish my videos every week. Another thing you need to do is this. You need to watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you 23 apps that makes me money daily. But how do you make money watching ads like TikTok and other online videos? Let me show you. The first of the website where you can watch advertisement in videos is this. You'll be able to watch ads. Turn your downtime into reward by watching ads in videos and get paid. Look at it. You watch videos and earn reward by watching videos on your spare time. This website is called JumpTask. Look at it. Watch and earn. I currently have over 36 videos that I can watch right now and get paid. You can see many of these videos, TikTok videos, in advertisement. All I need to do is to click them and watch them and get paid each of this amount. And you can use your phone, tablet or computer system. If you click view all, look at so many videos. These are different advertisements in videos. There are so many microtask jobs watching videos to get paid on this platform. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, and there's a special code you will see with that link. Is my bonus code for this website. It will jack up your earning instantly as soon as you use that code. As you can see, this is my current balance. Look at the amount I withdraw daily. You can withdraw multiple times. As soon as you cross the threshold, this platform will pay you in JumpTask token. If you click this, you see different other amount I've withdrawn. I cash out like this every day. You can see this is the current value of JMPT token in dollars. All you need to do is to watch as many videos as you can and convert them to dollars. Look at this video. It's a full review of how to use that website step by step. You see the link of the video will come out here. Click it and watch it later. And you can also search JumpTask by Ask JOFA. It will bring all this video out. You see different ways that I've withdrawn before and how you cash out your earnings on JumpTask website. Different method. This is how to cash out using Onigain. This is how to connect your JumpTask to MetaMask step by step. This is how to cash out to MetaMask. This is how to cash out your JMPT token to bank step by step. Ensure you watch those videos later. The second website that will earn you good money watching video ads online is SproutGigs. You can see my current balance and I will show you how much I've cashed out on this platform. All you need to do to get a lot of video jobs is to come here. Look at it. This is video marketing. You click video marketing, you scroll down, you click apply. Be able to see different kind of video jobs, different amount. This video job, look at it, is over 5,000. This one is over 5,000. If you can sit down and do all these tasks, watching advertisement videos in TikToks and on various platforms, all you need to do to access other ways to make money doing microtask job on this platform is to come here, select anyone you want. You can make money money through data entry collection on Telegram, on Discord, on social media, TikTok videos, video marketing, Facebook microtask jobs, Twitter microtask job. All of them are here. Another way you can make good money on this website is this. You come to this place, you select gigs, browse gig. You see, if you are talented with different skills, these are different category. If you can convert files, digital marketing, you can use ChatGPT. If you are an Nike student, if you can do graphic design online, if you are a legal consultant, all you just need to do is to come to this place. You create your own profile page. You'll be able to charge people that need different tasks to be done. Like this person is a digital marketer. Look at what he said. He said, I will create 3,000 do follow backlinks, and this person will get paid for this task $3 per task. This person is almost $6 per task. This person has got over 318 tasks. This one has got over 269 tasks. So there's something you can do. If you don't have any skill, you can go and learn skills and come and put your skill to work on this platform, and you'll be able to earn more money very fast. Let me show you how much money people are making on this website. Look at it, gig ranking. This is how these people make this much money this amount. Look at so much money they are making, putting their skills to work. That can be you today. Don't forget that you can easily cash out from this website. I've made over $26 on this website on different occasions. This is a video I did about the platform. When you watch this video, you see how to use the platform to your advantage step by step. You also see my payment proof. This is a full video about how to withdraw and cash out from this platform. You will see how I cash out from Nigeria. That implies that you can work almost from anywhere in the world using this platform. The link of this video will come out now. You can watch that video later, or anytime just come to YouTube, type SproutGigs by JOFA. You will see all my videos. Thank you. Another website that will pay you for watching videos in advertisement is Quantiply. You will see the link below the description of this video. You can see watch videos and earn coin, and look at it. This same website will pay you just for clicking and watching ads. Look at it. PTC ads. You will get paid for watching and clicking ads on this platform. You can see these are different amounts of cash out in Bitcoin and Litecoin for free just for watching videos and doing simple tasks on this platform. Look at it. PTC ads, that is pay to click ads. That's when you click and watch ad, you get paid on this website. Look at, these are different tasks you can do. Claim bonus for a limited time. All you just need to do is to click this one. You view for 40 seconds, you will earn 31 points. That is all. This one, you click it for 12 seconds, you wait, you will earn 11 points. This one, you click it, you watch it for 7 seconds, you earn this point, and so many of them like this. So it's as simple as that. There are so many other ways you can get paid on this platform. This is bonus guest. This is one way to get paid. You complete this and you earn bonus points. Daily free spin. You spin to win every day. You visit this site and you earn the point. Look at it. You can also do surveys to get paid. You can also install games, download apps, and you get paid on this site. You can also multiply your coin. That is play multiplier games. You can also stake your earnings. You can also tell your friends and family members about this website. You get paid 25% of the amount they earn. You can also earn interest by staking the amount you have, or you deposit money on this website and they will give you 5% of your money. This is how this website give people free Bitcoin every time. Look at it. They've given out over 12 million paid in free Bitcoin. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video and start watching videos, clicking ads, and get paid. Thank you. The name of this website is Timebox. I currently have almost $2. I've cashed out on multiple occasions on this website. You can see this is my current balance of this website, and this is the amount I've cashed out already on this platform. So you can make money doing microtask jobs like watching videos, clicking ads on this website. For you to start clicking ads on this website to earn money right away, you come under your dashboard, under earn, you click earn, you get to this place. These are different ways to make money on this website, but look at this. You click push click, you scroll down, you make sure you read all these details so that you know how it works. You will get 12 paid push click every day. They send it every 2 hours. On this platform, the amount that you will make clicking link is very low, but it's a free money. All you just need to do is to push the click. You just click this button every 2 hours. To click this button, you confirm that you are not a robot by clicking this. You select image boss, you verify. So look at it. Click here to claim your push click money. So this is how click to get paid work on this website. Clicking link, like the amount is not much, but for you to make good money, this is where you can really make money. Instead of clicking ads and watching videos, you click task. By the time you scroll down, look at it, there are over 152 tasks for me right now, and I can earn over $31. These are different amount of money you can make doing different tasks. These are tasks that you can do within minutes and you get them done and you earn the money. This is just one task. There are multiple of them that will accumulate into real dollars for you. Like this one now is $0.02 under the instruction. By the time you put your mouse, all you need to do is to click this link and go and do the task on Facebook. Within 1 minute, you are back. You submit your Facebook profile link as proof. You go to the link, like the Facebook, and you submit your profile page to prove that you've done it, so that they'll be able to identify you with so many other things you can do on this website. You can play games. By the time you play games, look at it, you can earn over 2,000 prize pool playing games on this website. Look at different amount of games that you can play. Look at it. This is $95. This is $81. This is $79. This is $70. This is $57 that people have made playing games on this platform. You can also do surveys, a lot of surveys. These are the amount you will get paid doing survey. Look at these are surveys that you can take with this amount. You can refer your friends and family members by clicking refer. You'll be able to refer your friends and family members just by copying this link and sharing to your friends and family members. And this website will compensate you for inviting them to this platform. So those are different ways to make money on this website. Of course, clicking links and watching videos is part of it, but those are other ways you can easily make good money. Thank you. One great platform where you can watch videos and earn in dollars is PriceRebel. For you to watch videos and get paid, you click here. You can see earn points by completing any of the offers below. These are videos offers, surveys, shopping, free trial, sign up, downloading apps, and so many. But if you want to watch videos, you click this. Availability of videos to watch depends on your country. So when you come to this platform, you click this and there's no much videos to watch. You need to do other tasks. These are other options from other offer walls. Look at it. You'll be able to play these games to earn these points. So many of them that you can play with. Look at it. These are games that you can play to earn these points that you can convert to dollars on this platform. This is what you can do when there is no availability of you watching ads or videos on PriceRebel. These are other tasks you can do on PriceRebel to earn all these points. Other activities that you can get involved in that will earn you money on PriceRebel is for you to share your links. You just copy your links here with your friends and family members. If you want to know how I share links online to get paid, look at this video, watch it. The link of the video will come out here. Watch that video. I demonstrated how I use JMPT to share my links and get paid with different websites to earn more in dollars. Another way to earn on PriceRebel is for you to participate in raffle draws. So many raffle draws are currently going on. You can also get involved in contests and you'll be able to get free money via leaderboards that if you do the work, you get paid in terms of free money and reward on this platform. And you can see these are different ways to get paid on this platform. You can get your money transferred to your bank account. You can get paid through cryptos. You can get paid through Amazon gift cards. I've done multiple videos how to use gift cards online. Just go to Ask JOFA YouTube channel to watch my videos. If you want to learn more, you can watch my full review of PriceRebel to see how to use this platform to your advantage. The link of this video will come out here. You can watch that video later, or you just type in PriceRebel by Ask JOFA. Thank you. You now know how to watch ads, TikTok, and other online videos to make money in dollars. For you to really make good money online, you have to do other tasks on those platforms aside watching videos. It is very important. Also, you can make good money in dollars working from home, but you need to engage with multiple platforms. This is why you need to watch the next video. It is about my top 23 apps that makes me money daily online from home in Nigeria. Ensure you watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.